toast with apricot jam and what's left of my Earl Grey tea.
Scary things in here. Cushions or trumpets to support tables and lampshades and a saxophone. Here's Gino off the telly. Lovely doll's house furniture. Salted caramel cannoli and a lemon
We're back at the hotel room with a view to going trying Betty's later for like a 4 o'clock tea. We saw the queue and it was right around the corner. It's going to go about 3 o'clock, aren't we? And after resetting the car parking for another 24 hours.
I'm back to the Montpellier car park train display, which is where I've got the car. I'm going to load it up for another day, which is £11, it's 24 hours. This machine over here works, that one.
And there we are, another day, but 3 o'clock instead of 4 o'clock because we want to go and get in the queue for Betty's now. And here we are.
We're at the end of the queue, which is just round the corner.
That was a pleasant surprise. We were in the queue for downstairs and the lady said they've had cancellations upstairs and we're welcome to a table up there. So we've come up here with the lovely chandeliers in the Imperial room.
It's like an upgrade, isn't it?
Yeah.
Christine's coffee's ready. The afternoon tea arrives.
Here's my jam and cream scone, just done. And over to, you can see the lemon in the bottom. We've got a lime Battenberg for our first cake. Next we're having a summer fruit slice. Now this one's called Chocolate Cube, but I've no idea who makes it.
Just resting under a tree.